Creating a phantom wallet is a straightforward process that requires attention to security and best practices. To start, go to the Phantom website and click on the Create Wallet button. You will be prompted to save your secret recovery phrase, which is used to restore your wallet in case you lose access. It is essential to store this phrase in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked box, and never share it with anyone. Next, create a strong password to protect your wallet. This password should be unique and not used for any other accounts. Phantom also offers additional security features, such as two-factor authentication, which you should enable to add an extra layer of protection. When setting up your wallet, you will also be given the option to create a new wallet or restore an existing one. If you are creating a new wallet, Phantom will generate a new public and private key pair for you. If you are restoring an existing wallet, you will need to enter your secret recovery phrase to access your account. Best practices for creating a Phantom wallet include using a unique and strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and storing your secret recovery phrase in a secure location. It is also essential to keep your wallet and browser up to date to ensure you have the latest security patches and features. In addition to these best practices, it is crucial to be aware of potential security risks, such as phishing scams and malware. Always verify the authenticity of the Phantom website and never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown sources. By following these best practices and being mindful of security risks, you can create a secure and reliable Phantom wallet to store and manage your digital assets.